Hi guys, just doing another video because I've just seen the price drop actually to 220, which is pretty much the level I always thought we'd go down if we break below 255, and we found support there. I think it's 220. A bit hard to see because I'm only on my phone. As I said, I'm not at home at the moment in front of the laptop, but I thought, a lot of you guys seem to appreciate these quick updates, so I thought I'll do another one. But 220, I've been talking about this channel, about this level for a few days now, and it seems like we've just found support there. Now, in my previous update today, I said that the sell-off is not necessarily over yet, so we might see another drop. And of course, on this channel, I've just bought some at 225, I think, so it's now back to 235, 236. So I just see this going up again, but it's just a huge sell-off, and it's not only Cardano, guys. So it's across the whole market. There might have been some people, big whales playing a bit of pump and dump here. I don't know. In the end for me, and it's everybody's own decision to sell or buy, but I won't sell anything. It's bad to sell now, in my opinion. I want to hold this stuff long term anyway. And I still think this might be the last shakeout before we potentially see Bitcoin at 100,000. Now, again, I could be totally wrong. That's just my opinion. I'm always referring back to the stock to flow model. People have different opinions about this, I know, but it has been very accurate in the past. And to be honest, that's why my strategy is long-term holding. And, this always helps me to stay calm in these situations. And I spoke about a 30% drop a few days ago. I said that's still something that could be coming. We saw it before the last hard fork. 30% drop. I showed it to you earlier today, and we are now at 18.55%. That all happened in a day, by the way, as well. Back earlier this year, 30% drop in a day, and we had a recovery from that as well. So again, I know a lot of you guys are shocked, but it's just what is sort of happening in crypto from time to time, and it is nothing that we haven't seen before. Even in bull markets, we've seen that, and I had a question earlier today, at what point do you figure out a project doesn't work out and you pull your money out? So for me with Cardano, that's certainly not the case. It will only for me be the case if they don't get the smart contracts running. And even if, for example, on the 12th, it should fail, I'm sure they will get it done at a later stage, but I'm confident they will get it done on the 12th. So for me, Cardano will work out, and especially because I hold it long term. But again, I can't give you any financial advice. Everybody's situation is different. But for me, selling at a loss would be crazy. But then I am not in loss. I'm actually in profit, because I've been talking about Cardano when we, like 3 months ago when we were at $1. And I remember a video back when I said I bought some at $1 actually. That was before we started to move to the upside. So for me, this is still our massive profit. And I hope some of you guys have made insane profits as well. Of course, we see a drop now, and that just happens from time to time. So on this hourly chart, what we currently see, again, apologies, I'm on my phone, but what you can see is that huge red candle, again, was suddenly bought up at 220. And again, I mentioned the 220 level. It's one of the important Fibonacci retracement levels on the Cardano chart. So that's, in my opinion, that was my worst case. And I've mentioned that a few times in videos, that if we drop below 255, yes, there's 245, but then potentially we could go down to 220, and we exactly hit that today. Yes, we broke through a little bit, but we sort of found the support. You can see that here. And again, that is one of the main Fibonacci retracement levels on the Cardano chart. Of course, not guaranteed that we stop there, but for me, that was the level that I pointed out in other videos. So let's just see how that carries on. In my opinion, nothing to panic still. I won't panic anyway, even if we go down to $1, because fundamentally, just think about it. We were there just a few months ago at $1. So why would you throw over everything that you invested in now just because, fundamentally nothing has changed. It's actually gone, we've got new partnerships with Cardano. We've got new projects. It's all going well. We've got a date, the 12th of September. So for me, there isn't anything to worry about at the moment, just because there is a price drop and whales are playing with retail investors, and that's what it is, in my opinion. There has been a big sell-off. People were liquidated. People who've been engaged in leverage trading, probably, which I'm not doing. I've never talked about leverage trading on this channel. So yeah, again, there will be another update later today. But I just wanted to assure you that for me, this is still nothing unusual, because we've seen 30% drops before. Yes, of course, it's a bit out of the norm, but it's nothing that we haven't seen before in a bull market. All right, so stay calm, guys. Obviously, take all the financial decisions you need to take, but for me, I'm not going to sell anything. All right, see you later today. Bye.